Hey guys, my name is Saad and welcome back to Obsession Car Detailing. This is our weekly recap at its new home on YouTube. Now, I must apologize. We posted a video recently saying the last video of 2025. It wasn't. We then posted another video saying the real last video of 2025. But I can assure you, this is the first video of 2026, and what a cracker of a year we are having to begin with. We've got this 2019, I think, Audi RS3 in. The owner of this car tracks it a lot. It was showing a lot of wear and tear, so he asked us to remove it. We've paint corrected the whole car, detailed the interior, and we've now wrapped the front edge. You can see the bonnet has been done, everything else has been done. These edges here, we're just letting them dry out a bit, and once they're dried out, we can then push them down and trim them neatly and they'll all be perfect. Check this out. This is a 2012 BMW M6. Now, this is actually one of the first cars I ever detailed in PPF a long time ago, maybe back in 2016, 2017. It got a full paint correction front end PPF. I think he hit a kangaroo or something happened on the front end. So the front end's been entirely resprayed and refreshed, and he's brought it back to us to get the whole front end PPF'd again. This one as well, we've just finished doing the bonnet. These edges now are pretty much dry, so we'll run our finger over them and trim it back, and you're all good to go. Really happy with this one, and I'm sure the owner will be happy as well. Now, Matteo is organizing some cables. Buddy, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Matteo, how do you find doing the PPF on this and the RS3 and the Land Rover as well? How is the Land Rover Stealth conversion?
Yeah, I did the Land Rover, the Defender. It took me a few days, to be honest. It's a big car full of pieces, but it looks great. I'm very happy with it. Also, the car was very dirty, so now it's looking way better. I'm happy with it. Then I did the RS3, which has a very interesting color. I really like it. Green is not a color that I usually like, but this one is very nice. And then I did this one. It's kind of, this car is not too common, right? It's kind of rare. Yeah. So I never worked in it before. And yeah, I'm happy with both of them. They're looking very good.
Awesome. Thanks, Matteo. Now, guys, it wouldn't be OCD if we didn't have a Porsche. And check this out, guys. Now, I know what you're all thinking. This is purple and gold. They are OCD colors. I have something to announce. This is unfortunately not my car, guys. I got you all excited there for a second. I can see Odin behind the camera. He was smiling. He was like, oh my God, it's like a GT3. No, I did not buy a GT3. I wish. The owner has stolen my color scheme, but yeah, this car, guys, Weissach GT3, purple Viola metallic. You can see it's brand new, just got dropped off on the tow truck yesterday. We'll do a full video on this one later. I'm sure you'll see this on next week's video. Yeah, I just can't explain how much I love this. Anyway, let's move on. Now, this is a sick looking car. Land Rover Defender that we've just wrapped in XPEL Ultimate Stealth PPF. So obviously all the gloss black piano black panels got wrapped in gloss PPF, and then we installed Stealth PPF on there, and it's just been coated with XPEL Fusion Stealth. We also installed XPEL Prime XR Plus tint on this one, 35%, looking great. Now, from one beast to another, the mighty Suzuki Fronx. Now, this car is made in India. Don't hold that against it. We did a 2-stage paint correction on there, and Kai is currently coating it. Let's have a chat with Kai and see how he's going. Kai, how was your Christmas break, or rather, did you have one?
First of all, not coating, finishing the polishing.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Yeah. It's close though. For a car I only started yesterday, it's almost there.
I mean, it's pretty small.
Yeah. But my break was kind of non-existent. I went back home for Christmas, like 3 hours north, and then came back and I was doing a private job doing some texture reduction on a older Volvo 240. That car was a little bit of a pain. Spent some time wet sanding. Still took like 25 hours to do that, and then
25 hours?
Yeah, like 25 hours to do that, and then a cut on the whole car, and then a polish, and then a wax on top. But it looked solid. I left the panels that I was wet sanding looking better than the panels that were already on there. So it was like, oh, okay, yep. Now you're gonna notice the other panels that have more orange peels. Yeah.
Speaking of summer nats, the last video, I think we had the 351 GT?
Yeah, 351.
Yeah. That actually ended up winning judges' choice in the top 60 at summer nats.
Yeah, got a nice little trophy. Judge's choice. I think there's like a bunch of judges, and then each judge gets their own like car they pick to give a judge's choice award to, and then there's like the overall winner. I don't know. I don't go to summer nats, but it got a trophy, so good in my books.
Awesome, thanks, Kai. Moving on, guys. You would have seen this BMW M5 in the last video, and now you're seeing it again, and you'll notice the color is completely different. That's right, guys. This has been wrapped in color change PPF. This color is from Tarminax. It's called M626. It's a purple flip color. It is awesome. Color change PPF, guys. It's the future. Now, I must warn you, it's not cheap. Like, I'm not going to tell you how much this costs, but like, it was expensive. The film itself is expensive. It's very hard to install, very time consuming, a lot of custom work required. But I think it looks way better than vinyl. It performs way better, lasts longer. Yeah, not much to say. From now, it just needs a good final detail. This color is a bit underwhelming inside. It really needs to be in the sun. We've got a Porsche Cayenne here that we're currently working on. Lee, who is one of our temporary staff members who works for us now and again, is there doing a stealth PPF job on this one for us. Absolutely gun PPF installer. Doesn't speak a word of English, so I have to use a lot of Google Translate talking to him, but awesome bloke. Hi, Lee. Lee. He's got his headphones in. So yeah, that's not much to say about this one, but you've seen us do stealth Cayennes. We've done heaps of them. This is just another one. Going to be really good when it's done. Finally got this Golf R. Andy is currently compounding it, mate. Oh, you got your own trolley. Is this your own trolley now?
Mikey.
Oh, you're sharing with Mikey, man. I think we've got to get you your own trolley.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you finding working on the Golf R? Basically giving the mission of making this car look as good as you can. You've been working on it for a couple of days now.
It's coming out pretty good. Just using the Lake Country wall pad.
All right, man. Anything else you want to say for our viewers out there?
Stay protected.
Thank you, Andy. All right, guys. I think that's a wrap. You got to excuse the shop this week is absolutely chockers and there's stuff everywhere. Catch us at the Festival of Speed on the 31st of January and the 1st of Feb. Not sure what cars we'll be displaying, but maybe that Porsche, maybe one of my cars. And this year we're going to be driving on track as well. So Festival of Speed, 31st of January and 1st of February at Thoroughbred Park. Hope to see you all there. And don't forget to leave a comment below, guys. And until next time, stay protected.